Hey, what's up? This is KS for After Effects tutorials channel, and now I want to show you how to make motion path in After Effects. With Illustrator, there is a different motion path in After Effects. Let's start. Create a new composition. After creating new composition, name it path motion of 3 seconds and press enter. First, create about pop-up motion, circle motion, Control Y for creating a circle, then circle effect, drop a circle effect on your solid, then change radius, edge to thickness, and change it the thickness to 0 like this. So change the radius 0 and then change it to 10. Okay, after 1 second, stopwatch radius, stopwatch opacity, go to 1 2 3 4 5 up to 10 frame. By page up, page down, change this one to 50 and down the opacity. Now check your motion. Before starting the motion of circle, there is a little bit problem. Select, press Alt, break. This is the very easy motion path. What is the second? The second is select new composition and name it line circle path. Then press OK. What about size? Change the size 500. Press enter and then select a line, turn on title action save area and create a line from there and change the line color into white and press Ctrl for slow down the size, and now Ctrl D for rotating, Ctrl A, Ctrl D, Ctrl A, Ctrl D, Ctrl A, Ctrl D. Okay, Ctrl A again and Ctrl D again for duplicate the lines. That's enough. And Ctrl A, right click, pre-compose lines, and now select the mask. Draw your mask, press Ctrl plus Shift like this, and draw your mask again on this composition like this. Okay, change the mask 2 into subtract, and now press MM. Go to mask expansion, go to second one, stopwatch, and change the mask expansion to down. Okay, go to frame 50 and come back to frame 7, stopwatch, mask expansion 1, go to 20 frame, play now. Okay, and drop your circle path line composition into your main comp and move there. Press S for scale down like this. Now play. You can change the motion speed. Select all of keyframes, press Alt, speed up your motion like this. Okay, now time about line motion. Create a new composition, line motion, press enter, and there is about pen. Draw your rectangle path like this. Press shift, then select. This is another way for motion path. Open the option and go to add and turn on trim paths. And after trim paths, this is about the start, this is about end. Okay, go to second one, start, go to 7 frame and come back to frame 4, stopwatch at the end and go to 15 frame. Now play. Select all of your keyframes and press Alt. You can create a duplicate and Ctrl Alt, press Home, right click, flip vertical, right click, flip horizontal, play now, and select both. Right click, pre-compose, press enter and Ctrl D, press S for scale down and move it to center. Scale down more and now play. Okay, this is the third motion path. Move this one here and fit your composition screen. And there is a most important more. Create a new composition, then name it this is another motion circle path. And now create new, press Ctrl Shift and press Ctrl for change the stroke size, and now select this one. This is another way. Radial wipe, radial wipe, drop this effect and change it to 0. Come back to second one, stopwatch and move to 10 seconds, counterclockwise, play and drop another one. This is another one, stopwatch and go to 15 frame, play now. Then select, press Ctrl D, press S for scale down, move your layer forward, then Ctrl D, press S for scale down, move your layer forward, then play again. Okay, drop this one, circle motion path, move here. And there is another motion path, advanced motion path you can create in Adobe Illustrator. Select a new page, video and film project, then select pen, escape, press Alt for copy and right click, transform, reflect, OK, and move here. Then select this 2 point, Ctrl J for join, and zoom in, then zoom out. Select your pencil, zoom in, select this 2 point, Ctrl J, Ctrl J. Okay, now press copy and go back to After Effects, create a new composition, press enter, then Ctrl V for paste. There is a little bit problem. Select again, copy, and go back After Effects, Ctrl Z for this, Ctrl V, paste again. Then go to Effects menu, Video Copilot, and Saber Light. Go back to Customize Core, select Layer Mask, and then change the core size down, and press F4 for Mode option. Select Add, and move your solid up. And now this is about end offset, and there is end size. Go back to second one and start offset. Stopwatch, start offset, and go to 15 frame, down this one, and go back to 7 frame, and stopwatch and offset, go back to 25 frame. This is enough. Okay, thank you for watching. This was about motion paths. See you next time.